Hi guys! Welcome to another Ukay Vlog. Andito ako ngayon sa Bulacan. Dinayo namin to para mag-ukay-ukay lang. Nag-fiesta pala dito 2 days ago. Medyo madaming tao today guys. Tapos sobrang daming mga tindahan sa mga side. And of course, pag fiesta, look at this banderitas. Ang saya. So, mag-ukay-ukay na naman ako today and isi-share ko sa inyo yung mga ukay na nabili ko dito sa Santa Maria, Bulacan. Let's go guys, let's go thrifting. First stop is this ukay-ukay. Ito yung sa harap lang ng church ng Santa Maria sa bayan. Malaking ukay to, normally 2 floors. Today, first floor lang yung tiyanak ko. Kasi medyo mahal pa yung items dito. I mean, hindi naman na siya new arrival. Discounted price pa lang siya. At saka, medyo mahal pa for me. Naghahanap kasi ako guys ng mga 3 for 100 things that I love na willing ako mag-spend ng medyo mataas yung price. Basta gusto ko. Look at this skirt. This is silver. Maxi skirt. Excellent condition other than meron siyang konting flaw. Ganyan lang. But hindi siya ganun ka-visible. I like the quality of this. Someone needs this skirt sa photo ops or sa event. So, I'm gonna buy this and flip this online for profit. Sina-check ko yung skirt sections dito. Yung mga skirt nila, 75 pesos kapag long skirts. And then for short skirts, it's 55 pesos. Another skirt that I bought here is this one. This is black. It's more of a midi than maxi skirt. This is also very good quality and very good condition too. Dalawang skirt lang yung nabili ko dito, guys. Ito yung skirt section nila. Konti na lang talaga yung magaganda at medyo mahal pa. Hindi pa siya nag 3 for 100 for short skirts. Kaya dalawa lang yung nabili ko. Look at this skirt. This is mustard yellow. Kaso ang liit niya kasi. Kaya binalik ko na lang din. I found this denim. This is stripes, guys. Ang ganda ng pagka-denim nito. Medyo makapal siya. Wala siyang brand. It has pockets. Huge pockets. Tapos very good condition din siya. Meron siyang string sa harap kaya na-adjust siya. So, pwede siya from medium up to extra large. Ayan yung likod niya. I also found this Adriano Goldschmidt na denim jacket dito sa ukay na to. This is 105 pesos. Medium wash. Ang ganda din ng condition ng jacket na to. Meron siyang mga tatter details at ito yung last item that I bought from this ukay-ukay. Well, move on na sa next ukay na pupuntahan natin. So, sa kabilang kanto lang, ito yung ukay na nakita namin. This is 3 for 100. Isang maliit na ukay lang siya. Naka-sale na siya. Pero yung mga pants dito and mga jackets, it's like 85 pesos. I also bought a few pieces here, which I will be showing you later. Medyo struggle na yung paghahanap dito. Kasi naka 3 for 100 tong tinitingnan ko ng mga items. This is the first dress that I bought. This is sheer siya na color black. Ang lakas maka tita feels. And then this t-shirt dress. This is very good condition. Very soft. And then ganyan yung detail niya. 3 for 100 to mga items na to, guys. Ayoko lang dito sa ukay na to is naninigarilyo yung nagbabantay. Sobrang sakit sa ilong. Kaya medyo saglit lang kami dito nagstay. Last item or another item I bought from this ukay is this army green na parka jacket. This is a hoodie. Very good condition din to. This is 85 pesos. Ito kasama to sa mga hindi naka 3 for 100 na items. Ito sana yung last piece na bibilhin ko sa 3 for 100 nila. Ito sobrang nipis lang din ang top na to. But it's nice. It has nice print. Pero nakita ko kasi tong isa. This is a button down. Na parang pa-vintage na yung style niya na top. And I love buying this sa mga ukay-ukay. There are people who need this ng ganitong style. So, I bought this one. Ito yung ukay na to. Sobrang liit niya lang. 3 for 100, guys. Next ukay na pupuntahan natin is yung halos katapat niya lang. Ito yung ukay-ukay na to. This is Polka Dots clothing na ukay-ukay. Ito naman naka 15 pesos each. So, struggle din yung paghahanap ng magandang item. But first is this one. This is very colorful na button down. I bought this kasi excellent condition siya. And it's only 15 pesos, so why not? Another piece is this one. This is a dress, black, very lightweight. And then look at that embroidery. Ito yung brand niya. Tingnan nyo naman yung embroidery niya, guys. This is very good condition. Another item I scored here for 15 pesos is this Uniqlo na parang knitted na dark blue na long sleeves na dress. This is very good condition as well. Mock neck siya. Very lightweight lang din. Kaya kinilig ako nung nakita ko to. Kasi 15 pesos lang to, guys. Another item is this one. This is an open front cardigan. Hindi ko nabubuksan kasi lagi siyang nahuhulog sa hanger. I also found this. This is a dress. And 15 pesos lang din to. Kaya ako to binili because of the back detail. Ayan siya. Very cute. Meron siyang cut out sa likod. And then the last piece I bought here is this. This is a dark blue na parang overall. This is also 15 pesos lang din. Dito sa ukay na to. Kailangan mo lang talaga magtiyaga na maghanap. Siguro I stayed here for almost an hour. And then yun lang yung mga nabili ko. Last ukay stop of the day dito sa Santa Maria. Again guys, dito lang to sa may Santa Maria Bayan. So ito yung last ukay na pinuntahan namin. Dito naman is naka 3 for 100 ulit. And I'm able to score na medyo madami na items sa ukay na to, which I will be showing you later kung ano yung nabili ko. It's 3 for 100 here. Meron silang few pieces na naka-selection like this one. Ito. This is 380 pesos. Hindi ko siya binili. Masyadong mahal for me. Pero kung naka 100 plus lang to, bibilhin ko to. And then I also found this, Zara. This is also 380 pesos. Kaya hindi ko rin siya binili. Ang cute niya rin. Very good condition din sana. But here are the pieces na binili ko sa ukay na to. Papakita ko sa inyo shortly.
Ito, dito talaga.
Oh.
Pero paano pag nagtuba sa lapag ano?
Dapat meron din sa noo.
Bili natin si Cosmo.
Oh, you're so cute. Dapat ibibili mo si Kali. Kasi gusto niya yung mga ganito eh.
Mga toys.
Ito na yung mga nabili ko, guys. This is very cute. Look at this pink. Very good condition. I also like this. Very lightweight. Ito para siyang linen blend. This is very cute. Ang gusto ko yung pagka-pink niya. And then we have this excellent condition na parang green, parang made of silk na pants. This is really nice. Ang ganda ng quality ng pants na to. 3 for 100 yan sila, guys. I also bought this dress. Excellent condition. It has pockets sa front. Very lightweight lang din. And then I saw this. This is really nice. Ang cute ng mini dress na to. Para siya may mga leather na details. Super nice. This will fit medium size. I also like this. This is excellent condition na top. It's color blue. Tapos parang meron siyang yellow na details. This is also parang brand new tong top na to. One of my favorite from this ukay is this very cute sheer na polka dots. O sa mga naghahanap dyan ng pang New Year. Charis. This is really nice. Excellent condition din to. Ang ganda rin ng pagka sheer niya. And of course, maternity pants. Ito jogger to na style. This is gray. Excellent condition din. Kasama din siya, guys, sa 3 for 100. Kaya binili ko din to. I also found this. This is t-shirt naman. This is round neck lang. Pero I think this is unisex. Ang ganda ng quality ng shirt na to. And I like this top. Stripes lang siya na color blue. Meron siyang print sa front. And then at the back, meron siyang cut out. Tapos may button siya. I also like this one. This is sheer ulit. I think meron akong ganito before. Nakadalawa na and it gets sold right away. So ito, very cute as well. Ayan yung brand niya. At kasama din siya sa sale. Tapos wala siyang flow, guys. I also found this excellent condition. Turtleneck. Very neutral yung color. And then this very cute na skirt. Ito parang brand new din to na skirt. This is a pencil skirt. Tapos ang daldal ng tagahawak ko ng ukay. And then I found this. This is Hollister naman. Mini skirt naman siya. Very good condition pa. Ito naman Baleno na denim shorts. Gusto ko yung pagka-faded black na color niya. This is also very good condition. 3 for 100. You can't go wrong with that. Especially malapit na yung summer. Marami nang nangangailangan ng shorts. Large size pa to, guys. Which is nice. And then, I found this pants na color parang mustard yellow. This pink na fleece na vest. And then this new with tag. Parang leather. Look at this cute stuffed toys here. That's it for today, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you love ukay ukay as much as I do, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Our next ukay is sa Tagaytay na. So abangan nyo yung next upload ko. And I'm excited as always to share with you guys mga ukay finds. Bye!